I have this 4x8 sheet of plywood. I need to carry it to the side of my house. Now what I could do is just carry it right here at my waist, but it is pretty windy right now. The wind's been picking up. Jesse, you want to show the photos over there so they can see?
The wind got chill as soon as we needed it.
Yeah, I know, right? Anyhow, so here's what I'm going to do. Using the same rope that I tied it down with to take it home, I'm going to take the end of it. The wrong end. Okay. So I'm 5'7". Your arm span is about as wide as you are tall, right? So this is about 5.5 feet. And then we got 11 feet, okay? I'm gonna take that bite right there, pull it back towards me, okay? So I just have double the length, and I'm gonna tie off a bow line right here. Okay, there we go. Here's my giant loop. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Instead of just tying this up into a bundle, I'm gonna incorporate it into my rope so I have a bigger handle. So I'll take this and I'll just keep tracing it around. Alright, now you see I got a way big loop. My end, I'll tie a scaffold knot. I'll show you guys close up later on.
It looks so professional.
Okay, let's pull this out. There we go. All right, come look a little closer. All right, since I have so many strands of rope, it distributes the weight, so I have not so much digging into my hand. I'm just gonna grab it. Thank you, Mr. Bird. And we're just gonna walk. Let's pick it up a little bit.
You look like one of those guys carrying glass in a movie.
Oh, see, there's that wind. There's that wind. We'll set it down. Okay. Now we're just going to take it short. All right, I don't want this to blow over tonight. Oh, it's ready? Yeah. Oh, perfect. All right. We'll keep hooked onto one side. I'm going to wrap this over. All right, there we go.